you're all doing well today. Thank you for visiting my channel and for watching. I just wanted to do a little show and tell today of these silk flowers that I've made. Just little flowers that you could use for embellishments. In a previous video I had made some kind of peony flowers and a selection of various different ones, and these ones I kind of made in the same way, except I made a much smaller version of them. So for these I just cut out kind of a kidney shape or jelly bean shape template, and then I just traced it out onto my fabric and cut out several. And when I got the shapes all cut out, I just melted the edges of each of the petals, and then I just hot glued them together in layers, and like I did about 5 layers on each of these little flowers. And as you melt them, the edges curl up and make a nice little flower shape. And then I just added a little pearl or different little centers to finish them off. And then they're really cute. You can add them to, you know, your gift tags or you know, package toppers or whatever you like. So I'll show you a few here. Here's some one I did with I added some little netting in here. It's got a little bit of sparkle on it, and the gemstone there. I did a couple with these aqua little bead centers. They're really pretty, and they have some netting in there as well. Those are really nice. I did a couple that I actually added some little leaves on them too. I just thought that was a nice little accent. This one has some little netting in there too with the glitter on it. And then a few more here. The pink one turned out really nice, and then another white one with the little pearls inside. And then, so once I got those done, I wanted to use it on a card I was making for someone. So this is the card I did, and I just layered some scrapbook paper on there with it was a piece of ephemera basically, and I stamped on it, "Just for you" and "With love." And then I added the flower that I just made, and this one has a little green leaf on it as well, and a little butterfly. And I just kept it fairly simple, but I think it looks kind of elegant and pretty. I did one more that I just finished, and this one has the scrapbook paper on it again, and some layers in here. This top one is with some flowers and the word "love" on it. Then I made some little tiny bows here, or mini bows I guess you call them, and I attached that with the butterfly, and then put my flower on in the corner here. And yeah, I think they just make really pretty cards. So you could use that for a wedding card or birthday card, or pretty much any sentiment that you want to send, you could use that. And then the other thing I did was a gift tag. And this was a chipboard gift tag that I did. And I just did some more layering of the scrapbook paper, a silver kind of design on this one. Added a little gold, and there's a little gold on the leaf, and then added my pretty flower and a little bit of stickle on there, you can see, with the silver ribbon. So yeah, I think they turned out really cute. And so yeah, I hope you know, you get inspired, and maybe you'll want to try some flowers like this to add to your cards and your gift tags. So thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day. Bye for now.